Alrighty guys, now I don't talk about this very often because, well, it's in the background and it just does its job. Now, you're probably thinking, what are you on about, Jez? Well, talking about our compressor, which I've hooked up to a 20-meter hose reel, which is retractable. All right, now let's check out the compressor. So what I've done, I've mounted it. Let's get a wider view. I've mounted it in the back here. I've got the retractable reel in the back there, 20 meter, and I've hooked it up to a pressure switch, which is in there as well. Now, this just works. I've had the ARB compressor before, and that's worked a treat as well. This one, if you guys want something that works and you don't want to spend a whole heap of money, then this compressor will do the trick for you. It's 300 liters per minute. I think it draws about 40 to 50 amps. I'll have to look up the specs. It's been a while. Once I installed it, I just left and forget.
Let's test the compressor.
Alrighty guys, let's see what the compressor actually draws. Turn it on. So 35 to 40 amps, depending on the load. Obviously, there's more load when the pressure switch is starting to activate. Try again. Well, there you have it. So all you have to do is just push the button, turns on, and then reaches up to the correct pressure with the pressure switch, and then retract it out, and there you go. Then you don't have to get the old wifey to switch it on and off for you. That's the handy thing about having the pressure switch. So we've let down all the tyres before and pumped them all up, and never been an issue. It's as far as I can tell, it hasn't overheated or done anything like that. Hasn't cut out. It's just worked, which is why I haven't really talked about it, because it's just there and it does its thing. Anyway, I'll chuck up a few details of where you can get this and all the specs and that of the compressor. We got this one from Beach to Bush, so I'll pop in the links and you can check it out for yourself. And if you use the discount code GRABLIFE, well, you're going to save yourself 10%. So it's inexpensive, and with the discount code, even less expensive. Okay, let's crack on.